Me, Miranda, I'm out here today doing some community service because I got in trouble for shoplifting lipstick. So I was at Walmart the other day, and I was in the lipstick aisle, and my grandma said, "No, Miranda, you can't get lipstick." So I had to slip it into my training bra. And then the security guard comes and he says, "You're going to prison." So I was really scared and I cried. And now I have to do 5,000 hours of street cleaning for all the people. And I have to wash the streets. So I'm gonna sing a song I wrote, and it's called "I'm a Slave." I am a slave. I work really hard.
I'm gonna kill Alex.
Shut it off. You're